so ne akwa se mo be kaya NDC force said the tie bia yewura na nado danko akufo ado enkosan emra about trumufo a omo ewo Ghana manmu ni omo ba Ghana manmu sabre no mu no akwa we
Global Fund
bajo nyam to ba se papa we no you obi a no di animu gidigidi pa se said the tie bia na nado pe ompe obesan samra no enam so man ko yekotena ba bi kura kan se samra na omo aye no boni bi anim it must to be signed directly. Eman be jina bonte kura kan chire Ghana for say Kenya for efa samra na said the tie na they took a copy of it and they passed it in their parliament. The president signed and it has become a law in Kenya. Video no near tie.
The likes of Global Fund claim that they are giving support to Ghana AIDS Commission.
Okay.
And what is supposed to be the umbrella reason why they are supporting Ghana AIDS Commission? HIV prevention. Meanwhile, we have evidence of Ghana AIDS Commission officers meeting with pro-LGBTQ groups and giving them lubricants. So if Ghana AIDS Commission is supposed to fight HIV, why are you giving lubricants for men to have anal sex with men? And the excuse that they give, the excuse that is given is that these are people who already have HIV, and so they want them to not spread it, so they are giving them lubricants. That in itself is an activity that continues to perpetrate anal sex between men. So please, we will not open the window for anybody to bring any money for public health or anything. If they really want to fund public health, they should go and give maternal beds for women who do not have beds for delivery, not for anything relative or related to this one. This one won't open the door. No.
Enti abusuanfo se utie Sam George na sama okane ha ya. Tie me ye pa because se when tie me ya will not understand me. Bra na do danko akufo ado tie akonwa so no. Sam George say NGO so omo ba Ghana so omo beboa nkrofo omo fa omo yonku meema no ma bebre na yare a omo de support obra omo no. Nkrofo no say NDC for say man na mra me se wo ye saa de ni bia na ye chiwa ye be ye den ye do betum asem na Sam George kan ho say amanfo say omo ba beboa the sanitary the health system omo boa entro. They are just coming in to promote trumu. And this an etie dia na do ye president no. Onfa pen science say. Obi bi obeba Ghana mamu so oba be ye promotion so obeboa ma trumu obe ye yen kan say promotion directly or indirectly. Say obema consultants. Say obe support adwuma bi e fa trumu hu bia no. Na do science say ye chiwa ye do betum for 3 months. Yes, and so say na do nsan another thing say oba be ya de bi e fa trumu ho na wa anko report amfa ma ban na ye chiwa be ma 1,000 penalty points. Yes, and so na do nko san mra bi e kire say obi bi ode ne ho be hye trumu enema mu bia no yes bi a ode emfa ne say a condom so ne sa liquid na ye ton no de bra trumu fo no se de be ya omon fire de emfa mo ho no wow de sa de be ba bia no ye nchi wontum ye kan sem bebre organizations omo adwuma omo ye ne se omo de nkyerɛkyerɛ eba kira manfo trumu se de sitie be man be ye se ye nchichi omo nyina. This is what Sam George wanted Nanado to sign. Ya mabinum kura 7 years. Se bia ukosha atade bia uye bani manu akosha ma atade ye mfa unkotu memfie enso. Yes, we media house and now you CSO. Any organization bia obeye adwuma bia wodi promote sell trumu no ye mfa unkotu bosome miensa enkopem emfie num. Samra we na nkwasiafo we se na ado nko sign no. But ene Sa fake bill no mo de call parliament so mo kwa ko sign no. Sa nsem na ena menu sunti Nanado ye the oye human rights lawyer onim say it goes against the Human Rights International. Enti u sign bill bi etisa e the sanction ba beto man so na say bi wuntumi nyammoa emfiri everywhere. Unyammoa emfiri we are mansan mu ntino. Nanado say no, he will not sign that thing. Enkrofo we bedi akonwa. Almost when they come, they are going to sign the same bill. Abusia, bill na they call parliament no. So on the current status now, ye yini nyina free ho. Ebrum ye ye free completely. Ebi to say yes say we media house, we CSO, we any organization. Now we adwuma bi esa wo de bo trumu hu dawura. Ye mfa nkotum bosom me ensan kopim bosom num no. Ye free. Ebi to say yes say bia we nipa bi na we obi a wo be trumu ase ade bi wo Ghana man bua na enya ade bi a ye be ma waye den ye be mo akọ hospital wo Ghana man mu se bia waye trumu enema na wanya yade wo ho a yes ema ye mfa wo nkọ hospital ene sa ade no NDC fo yi afrim ena omo de akọ se mahama nkosan ba bia na yes ye de obetum bosom miensa because indirectly or directly you are promoting or you are facilitating or consulting for activities of trumu a ye do betum bosom miensa no NDC fo yi afri ho de etwa so to okura na yenko yanim ba bia yesese obi ekosha ataade bi a ye mema obi oyo oba akoshe mema ataade ana so oyo oba oye bema no koshe ma ataade se wo ton wo te se de oyo oba oye trumu a ye mfonkotum bosom emfie nso no NDC fo yi afri ho etiabusia dede bebrebe o mo ye eso emphasis and say the NDC as a party remains what? A certain QNet government and turning contempo ye didn't throw their chairman for no ye say the people cannot think beyond their brain it ye nin troncho mona yemfanje to me and then maybe Sam George say what makes him kept himself away from what from proposing the same law. I don't person on family. I didn't tell person this the same number. Come on, Yura Mahama. I didn't hear. I was the son near my womb. Now, son near my womb, we know. She has a son now, and I say, I'm for some way no man, she ma. Cananado would have not have any problem to sign it because, in fact, we are there to for no more hole. There will be also more hospital the other. What kind of discrimination can be that? But and this is in power, and they are now telling you, say, San kwasi asem no mo kan ye de G to me no. It is something unhuman. Enya de bi edit enya ntete bi edit nipa dasani. Ada so you trumu ni onye trumu ni o. It doesn't matter. And then on there. Enti a Jimmy Fona na mudi Sam George eti na mu ye dede on the street of Accra up to the presidency. Nanado and ye the promoter of trumu no and then mujejereje this time po there with this law not to say CSO so betima ba be promotion. You can do promotions. Media houses can talk about trumu. CSOs can facilitate or consult to advise trumu for amanfo betumi de niema kotia artificial betumi de nyina ba oman because there is no law that goes against them. It is a person no emu sugo na nkasa the Jews of whatever it is going on now indirectly and NDC is promoting trumu in your country. NDC is telling you say trumu promotion no they have accepted that and that is what every Ghanaian offer to be trumu between na bontene because there is no criminalization on that. So party ni ye pa emra we no omode aba no it does not actually do nothing against trumu for emra ne de omu nyina say ye chiwo say we ye trumu wo dan mu a na hwan na one ne nwia be me kwa akoda wo dan mu a obebie ne pono to se mo mra na mo metwa me na mo mfa me nko mahama so wahu Hey, Yahuna man pa. Papa no wa yi suria, especially the 6 million fools. Wa yi mo suria. Ademagene diagro. The 24-hour economy is the most important thing, no? And it's here to market. Now, na mama be casem. I say 24-hour economy near Nadia. About 24-hour dimamini. I say a dear betchina market, no condoms, you go on table so. Not the Honabusha, and to sell Trumulo, a year only a entroning contompo. Some no modiabano. It is actually going to help to promote Trumutumu. Me ma me esta any tie for mesrem ene mentimu emfa call. I have to go to somewhere. But if you ochina kono, I will sit down, have time, and I will take in course. And I want everybody to understand and say, don't ever allow NDC to deceive you. They are incompetent. Omo ni message you. Now no asema na tebo when be so very serious. I say, let the NDC tell you in these 2 years of governance. They are the people that has brought our economy to this level. Kai who say, IMF now, omuno mo manage sika na mepemene no. A young people for na dey enko ye. And every agreement that was undersigned, it was the MPP that undersigned them. The fact is say we are IMF now so be to farm crofo adwuma no. Remember say it was something that was led by the MPP. Because NDC for IMF last time no, na wuntumi mfa nipa wa adwuma mu. Na wuntumi mfa nipa e wa adwuma mu. Me even sanka ma akwa pa. Na wuntumi mfa nipa wa adwuma mu. But because of the good leadership or mode see the IMF untino, and even though we are an IMF, we can still employ Ghanaians in the government sector. So Dr. Oyemi so almost say monka de moye in 1.5 years. I na say mama economy no aye papa. I think that he's right. He's right because what he's saying is very, 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 very truth. I was informed me don't be see ana my both videos kakra chire mo because I cannot